Almost every drink these days has an option for it to come in a can. With so many cans in your life, you must be wondering, what should I do with all these pop tops? No? Well, I have, of course. And today I have 15 cute and unique ideas for things to make with pop tops and maybe even a little string. Let's check out what these pop top artists have to impress us with today. All these different purses and bags are so cute and look so fun to make. What a super cute corset! I would totally sport this. Even kids can have fun making these fun little containers for all their school supplies and to collect toys. This purse uses the bottom of a can for the fancy little round part. How creative! This belt makes me think of a rock star. It almost looks like it's made out of chainmail. Something to think about when you're making your creations. You can even use different colored pop tops to make a design. Use spray paint to color them. Not only are there a million things that you can make with pop tops, you can also make a bajillion things with safety pins. So keep an eye out for that video coming up next. We're not done yet, but I did want to thank you for watching. My name is Angela, and the channel's name is Ms. Angela Sawyer. If you're looking for anything creative, you will find it on my channel. To further help you with your creative endeavors, I've left a list of creative ideas for tin and aluminum cans at the end for you to watch next. I also post videos about arts and crafts, furniture redesign, wig vids, ideas, and so much more. Your subscription and thumbs up would help me greatly with my goal to reach 1,000 subscribers. I upload daily, and if you have any ideas for videos, please put them in the comments below. I hope you have a wonderful, fantastic day, and I will see you in the next video tomorrow. Peace out!